So hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we have to learn how to create a Telegram chatbot using API. API means Application Programming Interface. So in the previous video, we have learned how to create a chatbot using NPM package and how to install Node.js compiler. So the purpose of this video is to know how to use the API. So first you have to search for the API URL in any browser. So we had kept a separate API which is present in the browser. So what the API that I had used is the nationalized API, which is such as which when we give an input as a name, so it predicts the nationality of that particular person and the probability of that name occurring in various countries depending on that name which the user gives. So this is the code that I had written. So the first two are the importing modules. So these two are like importing modules, which are Node Telegram bot API and the request modules. So the next step is the token. The token that we obtained in the previous video when we created our own chatbot. The token that we contain, we have to paste it here and we have to assign it to a variable that we are declared. So I declare the variable name as token and I assign the my token to this variable token. So next, the Telegram bot. The Telegram bot class is then instantiated with the token. So enabling the bot to communicate with the Telegram servers. So the purpose of this polling true is that this option enables the bot to receive updates by continuously polling Telegram servers. So now let's come to this step. So bot.on message function of message. So we are giving the function message as one of the parameter and console.log of message which displays the user that entering the particular name in the Telegram chatbot and utilizing the chatbot. So we we can see the details of the user who are using our particular chatbot. So next the message.text.trim, whatever the input that the user gives is being trimmed. That means whenever input gives the name with the spaces, the purpose of the trim is to neglect the spaces and consider it as a single name. So the entire step is being assigned to a particular variable called as name. So next, the request. Under this request, we had to paste our required API URL. So I had pasted this nationalize.io.api and the parameter that I have been using is the function which contains under the parameters error response and body. So function which is being assigned as a parameter in another function, you know what it is called. It is called as the callback function. So if any error occurs, so the console also prints the error and the message that the chatbot should send is the error fetching data. So it returns the particular messages correspondingly. So whenever the API URL, when we run in the browser, it contains several objects such as the location, gender, age, and population. So whenever we try to access a particular object, we need to contain the body as even user-friendly object. So the purpose of this JSON.parse body is to convert that particular body into a self user-friendly object so as to access the individual objects very easily. So whenever the name that the particular user enters does not belongs to any country, that bot should send message that nationality not found for the given name. So it returns the particular corresponding message. If the particular name entered by the user is being belonging to any particular nation, or the probability is being occurred, uh, it iterates over the countries that is being under the nationality object. So we assigned a separate variable I and that iterates over the country length, that number of countries in the given data. So the nationality, the national probability is being multiplied into 100, which is considered as a percentage and up to 2 decimal places. So the purpose of this step, which is the constant message equal to, is that message is constructed containing the nationality prediction for this given name. So we given a name and we have to find the prediction of the nationality of that particular name occurring in various countries. So we had assigned it to the message, and later we had assigned this message variable in the send message bot.send message. So that's the Telegram bot that predicts the nationality of a person based on the name by making a request to the nationalize.io API and sending back the results to the user. So now let's run the code. Clear the screen. So node space new.js. Now let's go to the Telegram. Click on start. So now let's give a name. So I give Ravi. So it predicts that in India, 36.30% occurs, and in AE, those are the location ID names of the particular respective countries. So this is the Telegram chatbot I had created using the nationalized API. So I hope it helps. Thank you.